Hi everyone, this is Maria Trujillo with eXp Realty.
And I'm Josue.lopez with Nova Home Loans.
Today we're going to talk about the top tips to help you have a smooth mortgage loan process. So Jose, what's tip number 2?
Tip number 2 is after you feel comfortable working with that experienced loan officer is to take a complete and thorough application. They're going to ask you some basic questions about you that's really going to tell them the story of how they can help you.
So what should somebody be prepared for? What sort of information besides your personal information will you be asked?
Well, you're going to be asked about your employment history, who you bank with, like checking, savings accounts, any other liquid assets such as retirement accounts and stocks or bonds.
So do they have to be specific about their bank account information and their balances type thing?
No, you don't. We're just asking for ballpark figures. We're going to verify that when we request your supporting documentation, which is your bank statements, your pay stubs, your W-2s, or tax returns.
And what happens with employment history? Are we talking about just who they're currently employed with, or like everybody that they've ever been employed with?
Well, that's a good question. If you've been employed for the last 2 years with the same employer, we're only going to require that information. However, if it's been less than 2 years, we will ask for the history of where you've been employed.
Got it. When do you pull my credit? Isn't that part of this?
After we complete the application, we'll ask for your permission to pull your credit. And once we do, we'll actually review it with you and go line by line, talk about your FICO scores, and also what are we seeing on your credit history.
Okay. Hey, so if you pull my credit, isn't that gonna hit me on my credit points?
It does ding you on your first mortgage pool.
Oh.
Anywhere between 5 to 7 points. However, the good thing about working with Nova Home Loans is that we provide free credit plans to help you improve your credit scores. So you don't have to worry about maybe those 5 or 7 points that you might lose. We'll provide a plan where you can recoup those pretty quickly.
Excellent. So don't be afraid because you're going to have your credit pulled. It'll get done and they'll help you recoup those few points caused by the pull. But be very specific about all the information you're providing on the loan application so we can process through in a more timely manner.